Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing something powerful, the LG 340W Soundbar. If you love rich, detailed sound and deep bass that fills your room, this one is going to impress you. Let's see what's LG packed inside this box. Right out of the box, we are greeted with the LG clean packaging. Inside you have got the main soundbar unit, the wireless subwoofer, a remote control, power cables, wall mount bracket, user manual and batteries included. LG really keep it simple and premium. Every piece is nicely protected with foam and wrapped to avoid scratches. Taking a closer look at the soundbar, it's slim, sleek and well finished with a matte black texture that looks elegant in every living room setup. You have got the control buttons on top, and at the back, input ports like HDMI, optical and USB, and that wireless subwoofer, that is where the magic happens. It's compact, but don't let that fool you. This thing packs serious punch. Now this soundbar delivers 340 watts of total output power, which means clear eyes, rich mid, and a deep bass response that you will feel in your heart. And it also supports Bluetooth connectivity. There's also adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts audio depending on what you're watching, whether it's action movie, dialogue scenes, or music. Now let's talk about the remote control. It's sleek, lightweight, and has that premium LG design that almost feels like a mini version of the LG Magic Remote. Every button is neatly arranged for quick access. Volume, sound mode, Bluetooth pairing, and subwoofer control all at your fingertips. As for what is inside the box, here is everything you get. The main LG 340W soundbar unit, a wireless subwoofer, the remote control with batteries included, power cables for both units, a pair of wall mount brackets, an optical cable, and of course the user manual for setup and safety instruction. And yes, it also comes with HDMI aux for simple one cable connection to your TV. When you power this up, the bass instantly grabs your attention. You can feel how balanced and full the audio is, even at lower volumes. Overall, the LG 340W soundbar delivers exactly what it promises: power, clarity, and style. If you're upgrading from your TV built-in speakers or looking for that extra tone in your movies and music, this soundbar is definitely worth it. So that is the full unboxing and first look at the LG 340W soundbar. What do you think? Does it deserve a spot in your living room? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my next tech unboxing and review.